Hello viewers, this is a tutorial on how to use the Accounts Manager module on Socinator using your Tumblr account. So after opening Socinator, this is the first tab on the left side. Here you can see the different accounts from different social networks and their respective account details. Let's start by clicking the Add Account button. Then let's select Tumblr as our social network. Group name is not required. If you want to group accounts together, then input a group name here. Then enter the email address of your Tumblr account. Then the password. Click the I button here to reveal the password. Then click this box to enter the proxy address, port, username, or password if you want. Click Save when you're done. So it successfully added our Tumblr account. The status is not checked. Now it's a success. So you can see the social network icon or logo, the email address, the status. The group name is ungrouped because we did not specify a group name. The proxy address is the local IP address, and the friendship count. In this case, the number of Tumblr followers. Now let's right-click on our Tumblr account. There are several options here. Let's start with details. So here we have the social network, which is Tumblr. The group name is ungrouped. If you want to add a group name, then type it here. Then your account name is your Tumblr name. Then your email address, your password, your website, and the status is success, which is what we want to see. Last synchronized at is not updated yet, so we will update that later. Then click Advanced Settings to configure the following. When you're ready, click the Save button. Status is trying to log in. Now it's success. Click Cancel. The second one is Delete Profile. Let's skip that for now and go back to it later. The third one is Browser Login. This will open the Socinator browser where you can browse using your Tumblr account. So you can check your IP address by clicking the Check IP button over here. And the Login button over here will allow you to log in to your Tumblr account without necessarily using the Tumblr app or an internet browser. You can simply use Tumblr using Socinator. Let's close it. The next one is Go to Tools. This will bring us to the Accounts Activity tab where you can see the different configurations for the different Tumblr automation tools. We have tutorials for each of them, so be sure to check them out. The next one is Check Account Status. This will check the account status in real time. It's a success. The next one is Update Friendship. It will update the friendship count in real time. The last one is Copy Account ID. If you need to copy and paste your account ID somewhere, then click this, and the account ID is successfully copied. Now let's go back to the second one, Delete Profile. This will allow you to delete your account. It will not delete the account itself. It will only delete it from the Socinator app. If you're sure, click Delete anyways, and it's gone. Now let me show you another option in adding accounts on Socinator. This time you can add several accounts at the same time by using the Import Multiple Accounts button over here. But before clicking this button, you can see the format. So the first one is Group Name. Enter a random group name where you want to group your accounts together. Colon, then the social network, in this case Tumblr, colon, your email address, colon, and your password. As you can see, only one account per line. Let's click File, then Save As. Let's name it Import Multiple.txt. Click Save. You can also import only one account. So let's try removing the second one. And let's save another file. This time, let's call it Import Single.txt. Click Save. You can also create a CSV file using spreadsheets. No need to separate each account detail with a colon because they are already divided into 4 columns. When you're ready, click File, then Save As. Let's save it as a CSV file, and let's call it import multiple.csv. Click Save. Now let's click Import Multiple Accounts. Select the right file, Import Multiple, click Open, and it successfully imported 2 accounts at the same time. As you can see, they have the same group names, so they are grouped together. Next, we have the Select button over here. So this will allow us to select accounts. If we click All Accounts, then it selected everything. We can also deselect everything by clicking Deselect All. Next, we can select Working Accounts. All of them are selected because all of them are working. Let's deselect again. Next, we can also select those that are not working. It did not select anything because all of them are working. Next, we have Not Checked Accounts. All of them are checked, so it did not select anything as well. Finally, we can select account by groups. So if we check the ungrouped ones, it only selected the ungrouped accounts. And if we check the multiple ones, then it selected the multiple accounts. Next, we have Update. If we click Update, we can choose to update all details. It will alert us to select an account first. So we can select one or more. Let's select the multiple ones. Then let's click Update. Update all details. So it updated the details of both accounts. Next, we can check account status, and it will check the status of both accounts. Next, we have Stop Process. So if there are processes running using these accounts, then they will be stopped. Same goes with Stop All Activity. It will stop all activities for both accounts. Finally, you can also update Auto Verify Credential if you want. The next one will allow us to export the selected accounts. Choose where you want to export them, let's say desktop for example. Click Select Folder. So both accounts were successfully exported. Click OK. Finally, we have the Delete button over here. If you want to delete multiple accounts at the same time, then simply select all of them, then click Delete Anyways. And both of them are deleted. You can also use the Import Multiple Accounts to import one account only. So let's select Import Single, click Open. So it successfully imported only one account, the Tumblr account. The last button is the Info button. So this will tell us more about the Accounts Manager module. So the Accounts Manager module will allow you to add or delete single account, as well as import or export multiple accounts. And that's it for this tutorial. I hope you learned a lot, and thank you so much for watching.